So as you can see, in the woods, doing a 2-day camping trip with my nephew Braxton, and I'm teaching him how to cut wood and to chop wood properly, and showing him how to start a fire the proper way and to clean up after himself. Oh, here she goes. Good job. We're in the beautiful woods of Lanark in Crown Land country, doing some overnight camping. It is right now it is 2 degrees. Earlier in the day it was about 10 degrees with the sun, and by tomorrow we should have early morning snow. Hey, there's my baby girl. Hi. Well, seeing as the axe didn't do the job, he's going to stick it in and slice it. Hey, good job. Almost as good as me. Oh, nice little wood pile. Oh, we got the fire started. Took a little bit of time because I was teaching my nephew how to properly forest the wood. He's actually preparing everything to cook, and we'll be cooking dinner, and I'll show you what we cook. So at this point I had to cut the audio out of the video because the wind was so bad that you could not hear us talk. So I will do a little time lapse of us setting up the tent. Here you'll see I'm showing Braxton how to stretch the tent, set the pegs first, hammer them in a little, and then get the tent pillows ready to go in. Now this tent is new, so I thought that it was the one that slides in, but it just clips on and has like snap-ons for that part. I had to get his help with this part. We ended up struggling and taking about 10 minutes to set the fly on top, because as being a new tent, it needed snap-on instead of tie down. But I shortened it down to show you what it looks like. And as you can see, the wind is almost taking the fly out of our hands. Braxton couldn't stop laughing, and hanging on was hard, but we finally got it. So I move forward. It's a little hot, but I'm keeping warm because it's a little chilly. And I'm boiling my noodles for my macaroni and cheese. White cheddar macaroni and cheese. And then I've got a pound of hamburger. And we're going to cook up some steaks. I got some small little beef steaks. Just figured it'd be a little extra. And dinner is now officially done. Hamburger helper. Well, what tastes like hamburger helper with a steak. Looks yummy. We have neighbors for tonight. Last night we didn't. They have ATVs, a truck with a camper. Well, they seem very peaceful. It's a nice little campsite in the Crown Land. Back in there is where we get our wood. Well, we woke up to snow on our tent. It's 6:30 in the morning. We're going to pack the tent up, head back to the city. It's a 5.5 hour drive. But it was all in all, it was a good camping trip. Kept warm. And it's only -2 right now, so it's not too bad. Hope you enjoyed watching this camping trip. So just to give you a little taste of what we woke up to this morning. We woke up to this. Not a lot of snow. But there's snowing again. Snow on the tent and everything.